Our students are highly sought after. More employers recruit on our campus than our peer institutions nationally, which is a testament to how qualified our students are and the fact that they are career ready by the time of graduation.
My name is Amtaj Kaur. I am currently an MBA candidate at Johns Hopkins University. That's part-time, and full-time I work for JPMorgan Chase, and I work in social media editorial.
Right now we are in downtown Hamilton, Ohio at the G Foods headquarters. This is our warehouse space where we do our office space and all of our food storage before it goes out to the community.
My name is Bailey Mincer. I graduated from Miami University in 2019 and I'm the art director for the Cleveland Cavaliers.
This summer I interned at a company called Rovasys and I got great experience working with a variety of engineers, working on real-world problems, putting an emissions control system into a couple different glass plants.
I interned my junior year. The person I had networked with just because I thought they had a really cool job is now my manager because we stayed in touch throughout my college journey.
Miami has such a real-world focus and has such strong roots in the community. From day one, you're doing things that are outside of the classroom, whether it's the client challenges that they're doing or you're working on a business plan to hopefully take it to a pitch competition. It's really, how are you going to take this and then make it your own business? So throughout every single piece of that journey, it's all focused about outside of the classroom.
I don't think I ever imagined for myself that I could be art director for an MBA team within 5 years of graduating, basically. I think that probably was beyond some of my career goals. When I was a senior at Miami, I landed a really cool internship with Major League Baseball. I always was a big sports fan, but once I got into my role with Major League Baseball, I just loved it so much. I really wanted to stay in that world.
I learned a lot from my internship, and it wasn't just technical experience, it's also the soft skills and little things that make the bigger difference in the world, like communication, teamwork, and problem solving.
I think Miami breeds excellence, and I think that's how, because everyone being on the same page, everyone being kind, makes you want to just inherently be the best you possibly can be.